Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, this is the another part of English speaking challenge and today I will discuss about my daily routine and my work schedule and what I am trying to improve in this. So first of all, you must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so I will get motivated. So first of all, I wake up at the fajr uh, and uh, and pray the fajr and fall asleep again because I have to go office. And my office time is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. But most of the time, some of our colleagues reach 12 p.m. So automatically the leave time becomes 8 p.m. But official timing is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And so that's why I have to fall asleep because and because I have to go office. And if I don't fall asleep, then I became sleepy in for the rest of the day. And that is very irritating and that is very shameful because when you fall asleep at the work, your colleagues see and your colleagues see yourself and say, eh, is is you don't is you come here to sleep and things like that. So I try to fulfill my sleeping needs at the home, but at the same time, in which time I have to sleep, at the same time I have to revise the Quran that I memorized 7 to 8 years ago. uh, and because it is my responsibility, uh, and as a because I memorized the whole Quran, so it is my responsibility to revise it time to time to because to don't to not to forget it. Because if I forgot, then it will be considered as a huge sin. But at this time, at the morning, I am confused. I am normally confused about I should fall asleep or I should revise the Quran. So it is very difficult to decide the uh, which which thing is more which thing has more priority. So sometimes I fall asleep, sometimes I revise the Quran. And when I revise the Quran, most of the time I don't give my total time in revising the Quran. I revise the Quran for an hour, then I watch some content and do some and get some entertainment. And that's that time will be wasted. Like if after praying Fajr at 5 a.m., then I have to wake up again at 8 a.m. to get ready for the office. So I have 3 hours in between, in which I fall asleep. Revise Quran. I revise Quran. I do whatever I want, but but falling asleep is important at his side, and revising Quran is important at his side, at this side. And some when I decide to revise the Quran, then after revising for just an hour, I mm, I I catch my phone and watch reels and just uh, just waste my time in doing like these things. And after these 3 hours, I have to I have to wake up from my bed or and get ready for the office, in which exercise, uh, breakfast and taking bath is included. and then doing some extra tasks, extra household tasks, and then I go office, and then I do my regular work, uh, n- and then I have in work, I am uh, trying to I'm trying to become an expert in what task I am doing, and I am also trying to learn some extra skills that is related to my job, because my other colleagues have that skills, and I don't have that skills, which is sometimes feel shameful, and it is not too much shameful, because they have experience in that skill, in that specific skills also, which I don't have, but still it feels like I am less capable or something. So so uh, while handling the office, by handling my job, my tasks is to my task is to learn the skills that my colleagues have, to become more eligible and more professional in my job. So that, and then then other colleagues also do fun, and because because if a office is totally serious, then you will get more tired and more frustrated when you come home. So everyone there try to make make office environment funny and normal and uh, enjoyable. Then after then after then after leaving from office around 7 to 8 p.m, I reach home around 10 10 p.m, because my office is around 20 to 30 kilometers away from my house. So that's why it normally takes 1 hours or 1.5 hours to reach the office, and sometimes 30 minutes are up and down while leaving the office, or while doing other tasks. So normally I reach office at 10 p.m. So after returning back from the office, my task is to just do the dinner, and pray the Isha prayer, and then fall asleep. But instead of doing this, I add something that is not much important, that but I add that thing uh, as the as saying myself it is just for fun, like watching reels and watching some drama or some movie etc, which is not much important, but which is somehow important and play a role, because after coming from the office and your mind is also tired, uh, even your even your office has enjoyable environment, somehow enjoyable environment, somehow the work pressure is becomes high, and you have to focus just on work to complete the tasks. So uh, after coming after returning home from the office, every time the mind is also tired and the body is tired also. So my mind wants relaxation, so I give my mind relaxation by watching reels and my watching reels and movies and dramas etc. Then I fall asleep around 11:30 p.m, and 11:30 p.m, and then the routine continues. So that's my routine, and the things I and one most and in this routine I'm trying to manage my content creation, um like recording all the videos on Sunday and editing and uploading it from time to daily, or like after every other day. So this thing is also very challenging, and reciting Quran daily is also challenging, and doing exercise and improving my health is also very challenging because I, I have to give time to my job around 12 to 13 hours a day. Like my job is 8 hours, 8 hours a day, but because of the distance of the office from my house, it will becomes 12 hours to 13 hours automatically. So uh, so it is very difficult to manage the job and manage this routine. And then I am studying also, uh, and also in university, and I'm studying in virtual university. So they give lectures online, and we have to prepare the lectures from the videos they provide, and then we have to give exams. So it including that thing in my routine is also very challenging, and also relaxing my time, relaxing my mind, and doing some kind of activities like going for a trip, or going outside for with family in to in a park is also a necessary in life, uh, to relax our mind, to relax my mind. But most of the time I am not able to do that things, but I am trying to include that things also. So I am trying to include 3 to 4 things in my routine. First of all, revising the Quran daily, and creating content daily, and doing exercise and improving my exercise daily. Three things, and trying to learn some extra skills, 4 things, and also also these 4 things, just these 4 things are coming in my mind right now, but most of the other things I have also thought about, but these things are not coming in my mind right now. So that's that 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 it's the today video. And but what you say about my English, because the purpose of whole video is to improve my English, and to improve my English speaking. So you can tell in which things uh, I have to improve in my English. Please let me know in the comments. I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz, and thanks for watching. Bye.